Ni voninahitro tsy homeko ny hafa.
March 4th, Great Feast of YAHOSHUAH.
It's a celebration of the name that brings salvation,
YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH.
preached by the ambassador of YAHOSHUAH, YAHVAH. The truly great and also very joyful thing is that YAHOSHUAH will surely come. The one who told you, never sin anymore, never sin anymore. And that is how we know the true YAHOSHUAH. No one else said this except YAHOSHUAH, preached by the ambassador of YAHOSHUAH, YAHVAH. Come all and attend the Great Feast of YAHOSHUAH on the upcoming March 4th, 2025. Location at the headquarters of the Church of YAHOSHUAH at ambohidrapeto, Antananarivo, Madagascar. To all human beings, wherever you are in the world, come to honor and celebrate your Creator,
YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH.